Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Hello my dear student and parents of primary 5. Welcome back to Miss Sari channel. How are you this morning my dears? I hope you get healthy at home and Miss Sari is very fine today. Thank you. Long time no see ya dears. Today we will continue our lesson. Last week you have doing your best to daily test, but Miss Sari still confused ya and still upset why still student still cheating to get a best score. Anyway, it's not good ya dear. Please don't do that. And if you always do that, you will never get a really good score letter and you will be difficult letter. Okay, so please be honestly with your ability and your achievements. Okay, so just confident. No need to be cheating. Okay dear, so sorry Miss Sari want to say that from last day. Okay, but Miss Sari want to forgive you, but please don't do that for the next. Okay dears, we will continue about our lesson. You can open your pupils book right now about addition of mixed number. Okay, thank you. Alright my dears, have you opened your pupils book right now? Okay, please open your pupils book page 60. Okay, finish. Okay, Miss Sari will write the title in whiteboard first ya. About addition of mixed number. Okay dear, actually in MTK we ever study about this, right? Have you remember? Before that dears, Miss Sari want to remind you about our last subject. Okay, because last daily test Miss Sari will not entering the material of fraction and division. Miss Sari will remind you again so you can connecting again ya about our lesson today. Okay, about fraction and division, we have study about expressing in fraction ya, menyatakan dalam pecahan. For example, 4 divide 5, that's mean 4 per 5 ya. Have you remember about this? Remember ya, the left one in the top, the right one in the bottom of this. Okay, don't make a mistake ya for the writings of this. Okay, and then we ever study about simple form ya, make it simple. Like for example, 10 divide 12 equals, for the first you must make like this first ya, 10 per 12 equals, this one you make it simple. 10 per 12 can divide how many? Yes, divide 2 ya, equals 5 per 6. Okay, this one so easy ya to make it in simple form. And then also make it in mixed number. Okay, make it in mixed number and then make it in simple again. For example, 22 per 4 ya. Make in fraction become 22 per 4 become how many the mixed number? 5, 2 per 4 equals, this one still can make it simple, become 5, 1 per 2, right? Okay, this is so simple ya. And then find the missing number. This one also 4. Ini kebalikannya ya dari this one. The vice versa of this one. 5 per 3 equals 4 divide 3 ya. Don't make a mistake this one, because some of you Miss Sari still see you make a wrong writing of this one ya. The top one in the left, the bottom in the right ya. Don't make a mistake to write this one. Okay, and then this one make in decimal. So many mistake to do this one. I think correct in 1 decimal place, correct in 2 decimal place. Yeah, remember the meaning. 1 decimal place, that's mean one number behind the comma, satu angka di belakang koma. Kalau 2 decimal place itu 2 number behind comma ya. Kalau dia banyak angkanya, you must make it round ya, harus dibulatkan. For example ya, pakai angka ini aja ya, 5 per 6. Kita coba divide 5 divide 6 equals this one 0, right? 5 and then point 0, right? And this one 8 ya, 48 and then 2 0 again, 3 18 2 3 ya, so many 3. Nah, this one already ya, we have the number like this. Nah, if the question correct to 1 decimal place, so that's mean only 1 number behind the comma ya, satu angka di belakang koma, jadi until 8 only, 0.8 ya. Kalau correct to decimal place-nya baru 0.83 karena diminta cuma 2 angka di belakang koma. Oke, dear. Tapi nanti kalau misalnya di sini already 35 gitu ya, 35 555, so let's become 4 di sininya, dibulatkan. Oke, jadi depend on the questions how many. Okay, dears. Okay, this is the reflection of our last material ya. Miss Sari hope you still remember. Okay, next we go to the our topic for today ya, addition of mixed number. Miss Sari will explain. You can see in your book page 60 ya. We will read the example of questions from Learn 1. This is Ellie had 2 1/5 cakes. Frida had 1 1/2 cakes. How many cakes did they have altogether? Yes, from this we know that altogether it's mean addition, right? Do you still remember? Yes. Okay, we will write the words of mathematics first ya. Kalimat matematikanya like this, right? Okay, 2 over here and 1/2. Okay, like this, right? Okay. Now, how you can solve this problem, dear? Okay. Do you still remember? For do this one, this one, you must add the whole number first ya, whole number with whole number, okay, and mixed number, fraction with fraction, okay, like this, right? Okay, and then you add the whole number. Ini whole number ya namanya, yang di depan ini. Yang this one fraction. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. And then the second step, this one, remember the principle of addition in fraction. You must make the same denominator first. Okay, harus samakan dulu penyebutnya. Dimana penyebutnya di sini adalah, nah, from this we know that the denominator is 10, right? 10, and this one also 10. Okay, how many? 1 per 5, how many? 10. How many denominator? Yeah, you must divide ya. 10 divide 5, 2. And then 10 divide 2 is 5. Okay, dear. Next, already same denominator. Okay, and you can add the numerator at the end. So the result is 3, 7 per 10. Okay, that's all ya. For the additions, the step from this one, add whole number. The first one, add whole number. Yeah. The second is this one is same denominator ya, make the same denominator and then add numerator. This one the step to do addition of mixed number. Okay, dear, how about this? Have you understand right now about addition? Okay, Miss Sari will give you another example ya. The second example, learn to. Okay, later you do from try 1A ya, try 1A, try 1B. Then Miss Sari will share the job in GC for specifically. And the next example, this one, find the sum of 2, 3 per 4 and 1, 1 per 2. Okay, this one also addition ya. Sum, the synonym of mixed number, addition is sum. So that's mean also addition. Okay, so the second example, 2, 3 per 4 plus 1, 1 per 2. Okay, for this first step, you must add the whole number first, 2 plus 1, and then add the fraction. Okay, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, and the denominator how many? 4 ya, because the KPK ya of 2 and 4 is 4. And then this one same ya, 3 per 4, 3 per 4, and then this one 2. Okay, so that's mean 2, 5 per 4. Okay, if there are fraction like this, dear, you must make the denominator it's bigger than numerator. So this one you change to mixed number first, become 1, 1 per 4. Okay, and then you add again the whole number, become 4, 1 per 4. Okay, dear. Right now, how can you understand the meaning of addition and of mixed number? Yes. For make sure you have understand please do the job. Later Miss Sari also share the job in Google Classroom. Don't forget to submit and turn in your job. And dear, that's all explanation of our lesson today. I hope this video can help you to do our job today. Thank you for watching Miss Sari video. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.